Hello friends, I am VM. In this video, I will show you how to install Canon LBP6030W printer in your PC or laptop. I am already download drivers. Open drivers folder. Click on English. Click on 64-bit. My operating system is 64-bit. Now double click on setup file. Okay. Now click on yes here. Okay. Now click on additional setting. Now select second option. Click on OK. After this, click on next. Okay. Now printer is searching. My printer is already added in this same network. Okay. Now you see printer is shown on this search. Okay. Click on this check mark. Then click on next. Now driver is initializing. Please wait. Now click on next or start. Okay. Driver is installing in your PC or laptop. Please wait while take a time for complete this process. Okay. In this process, USB cable is not required for install drivers. Okay. Now driver installation is complete. Click on exit. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.